I learned this recipe at a fancy restaurant. This is the only way I cook meat. I'll start our recipe using a sheet of aluminum foil and a container like this to make the molds. For that, we need to fold it like this, wrapping all around the sides of the container. And this is how it should look. Here we have 1 kilogram of pork. I'll cut it into pieces. And on each piece, I'll make shallow cuts. We'll season with half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and place inside the mold. Tell me which meat recipe is most popular in your home. I'd love to know. Here we have half a cup of cottage cheese. I'll take 1 teaspoon and place it over the meat, spreading well. And before I forget, tell me which city you're watching from so I can send you a big hug. Today's hug goes to Michael Thompson from Denver. I'm happy you're enjoying our recipes. In a bowl, I'll add 3 chopped onions, 100 grams of chopped champignons mushrooms, 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and mix well. We'll add this mixture to our meat. In a bowl, I'll add 150 grams of shredded mozzarella, 1 egg, half a cup of mayonnaise, and mix everything very well. We'll spread this mixture over our meat. I've already prepared several of these, and I'll place them into this baking tray. Then I'll bake them at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 40 minutes. This recipe turns out incredibly delicious. Make it at home and then come back to tell me what you think. I'm sure you and your whole family will love it.